Amazon plans to double same-day delivery facilities in the U.S., a crucial move for maintaining its market share. Over half of Prime subscribers' orders in major cities arrive the same or next day. In 2021, Amazon delivered 1.8 billion units through same-day or one-day delivery, a fourfold increase from 2019. The expansion announcement comes preceding Amazon's second quarter financial results. The move aims to address investor concerns about the profitability of Amazon's e-commerce business. Pandemic-driven growth has slowed, prompting Amazon to rely on its cloud computing business for profits. Amazon's same-day warehouses' current number is undisclosed, but expansion implies the need for additional facilities. Millions of products are currently eligible for same-day delivery in 90 metropolitan areas across the U.S. Strategically positioning same-day facilities closer to urban centers allows for efficient fulfillment and faster delivery. Amazon adjusts its product offerings based on city demand and customer preferences for optimized supply chains. By focusing on fast delivery, Amazon has captured over one-third of total U.S. consumer spending. Amazon has built a 6x lead over Walmart, its closest competitor, in the U.S. online retail market. Investors express concerns about costs associated with packaging and delivering orders. Traditional retailers like Walmart have an advantage with physical stores serving as convenient pickup locations. Some investors believe Amazon's investment in same-day delivery will drive sales growth and improve operational efficiency. Challenges include initial expenses, automation implementation, and the payback period for the investment. Convincing investors about the positive impact on Amazon's bottom line remains a challenge. Amazon faces an ongoing trial in Washington over allegations of hazardous working conditions in its warehouses. Allegations include long shifts, mandatory overtime, and physically demanding work. Amazon plans to present its defense during the scheduled hearings. On Thursday, Amazon will release its financial results for the quarter ending June 30th. Analysts expect earnings of 35 cents per share on sales totaling $132 billion.